Method of forecasting. Forecasting methods. There are two: qualitative forecasting method and a quantitative forecasting method. Qualitative forecasting method is a method of making predictions about a company's finances that uses judgmental from experts. No? Qualitative forecasting method by identifying and analyzing the relationship between the existing knowledge of the past operation and potential future operation. First is the LP technique. It is a group of organization or a limited people nga maka-attend ani unya maghisgot sila sa about sa company, and then unsay mga recommendation sa experts. And then we have market research, introducing a new product into the market. So mura kaga advertising ani i-promote ang product. And then executive opinion, a group of executive making decision on what will happen in the next period. No, ang kasagaran ma-involve ani ang mga chief executive officer, CEO, mga vice president of the marketing may to decide what is the good and the good side nga ilang i-work out. And then sales force composite for shorter range for is in order to more accurately predict their product and inventory requirements. Time series model helps organization understand the underlying causes of trends or systematic patterns over time using data visualization. Siguro nasa lay visual siguro dito na graph nga ilahang gitan-aw unya unsay mga cause nganong ni down ang ilahang market, and then napod sila'y graph siguro dito nga ilang ma-analyze nga mas maayo nga paspason nato og halin ang ato ang product. In industry, there are 5 level. First is 1.0, second is 2.0, third is 3.0, 4.0, and 5.0. Human-centric promotes talents, diversity, and empowerment. Muni dali kay makakita og solusyon sa problema, provide optimum user experiences, effortless interaction, business benefits. Resilient is agile and resilient with a flexible and adaptable technology. Mo na yung mga tao nga dali kay makakita po og idea, trying to take a positive perspective on a situation. The ability to bounce back skills or in difficult times in the company as we face all our difficulties, whatever they are. Sustainable leads action on sustainability and respects planetary boundaries. An industry is a group of manufacturers or businesses that produce a particular kind of goods or services. For example, adto sa MEPSA, ni trabaho sila dito, manufacturing sila dito og like example, harness sa sakyanan. So i-import nila dito sa gawas, wiring ra na siya unya na ay mga clients dito sila na mo build as a whole nga sakyanan. Ang sa atoa lang kay ang durability niya unsa kanindot ang kalidad sa ato ang product o atong service na mahatag nato. Industry comes from the Latin industria, which means diligence, hard work. Kung adto na ta sa industry, so actually gyud kay nakita na to nga ang mga tao gyud mas mo-prefer pa gyud nga mo overtime para mo-overtime mo mugahin sa ilang trabaho. Pagka 1440 to 1500s, inbento ni Goldsmith Johannes Gutenberg ang printing press. So dili lang sa karon na sa kabag-uhan, pero kung diin gikan ang nasugdan nga mga technology sa atong technology sa pagkakaron. So naa na jud ay ang printing press. Pagka 1760 to 1860 in England, steam power and water power the development of machine tools and the rise of the mechanized factory system largely water power. Muna ang 1.0. Ang gamit nila kay steam power. Once ang steam power nga painito nila, mo heat na nila dito in a power plant unya mo mohatag og pressurize unya mohatag po niya siya og mo steam drive siya unya mohatag siya og electric current into the machine and to para mogana ang machine. 1870 to 1920, the 2.0 build out the railroads, large-scale iron and steel production, widespread use of machinery in manufacturing greatly increased when of the steam power widespread. Is a major technology advances, telephone and ele- electric light. So nagkaanam na og ka high tech pero ang gamit gyapon steam power gyapon. Steam power gyapon. Painiton ra gyapon nila unya mo na toy gamiton na para mo function ang ilahang machine nga gigamit. And then 1950 to 1970 mo na ni ang 3.0, the shift from the mechanical and analog electronic technology to a digital electronics. And then we have 4.0 in taking data generated from the digital revolution and turning it into an information creation of cyber physical system and the industrial internet of things. Siguro dili pa kompleto sa pagkakaroon ang probinsya pero makaingon ko nga mas ni upgrade na karon compare sa una. Unlike sa Cebu, like ato sa syudad, makaingon kita nga 5.0 na siguro sila dito kay more accurate sila dito sa ilahang process sa ilahang manufacturing. And then 5.0, human-centric for industry and society focus on the environmental and social sustainability mission-driven companies over profit-driven or the widespread use of the metaverse. Example, 3D virtual world where user can buy NFT based plots of cryptocurrency like makakwarta na gyud for example sa Bitcoin, um example pud sa SLP ang mga Axie user, so nakakwarta gyud atong gayon na murag ni transform pag open sa account maka-earn og kwarta. Allow user to buy land inside the world or inside the world sa mga dula everything karon nga online games. And then circular manufacturing, raw materials gikan sa raw materials design design manufacturing smart products recycle dayon. For example, plastic iyahang plastic into pellets for new plastic products. And then key elements of industry 5.0, 100% of the companies are mission driven. Values-based robotics and automation complement humans. So, ang karon nga technology, karon nga era, mas grabe na ka high-end. Gamit na sila og mga robot o mga automation, politics and sustainability at the forefront of design. Human are working more creative jobs. Human are working fewer hours and may not need virtual reality technology. So gamay ra gyud ang pila lang gyud ka oras ang magahin sa pagpatrabaho kay ang gamit naman kay technology. So dali kayo i-program na nila dito, i-set up ang machine and then sila na ang machine ang mo guide sa pag-distribute ana para mapadali ang ilahang manufacturing.
Budget and finance. Planning the financial structure. Financial structure refers to the mix of debt and equity that a company uses to finance its operations. This composition directly affects the risk and value of the associated business. The financial managers of the business have the responsibility of designing the best mixture of debt and equity for optimizing the financial structure. So, planning the financial structure. Sa usa ka kumpanya, nag-involve sila sa pagsagol sa utang ug equity na gigamit sa kumpanya aron mapunduhan ang ilahang operation. O nagtumong sad kung giunsa nila paggasto sa kumpanya ang ilang mga operasyon, proyekto, acquisitions or gi-purchase nga object. Planning the financial structure can help you to establish and plan for fundamental needs such as managing life's risk, income and spending, and debt reduction, and it can provide financial guidance so that you're prepared to meet your obligation and objectives. It can also help you track your progress throughout the years toward financial well-being. Planning the financial structure. Makatabang daw siya sa pag-establish o pagplano sa panginahanglan sama sa pag-manage sa mga risko ng kinabuhi, income, sa mga paggasto o debt reduction, o makahatag daw kini og pinansyal nga giya aron makaabot nato ang mga goals and obligations. Capital allocation. Capital allocation means distributing and investing a company's financial resources in ways that will increase its efficiency and maximize its profits. A firm's management seeks to allocate its capital in ways that will generate as much wealth as possible for its shareholders. So, ang capital allocation usa ni ka proseso kung diin ang usa ka kumpanya nag-distribute og financial resources sa ubang laing-laing department, project or investment. Mao ni nga proseso sa pagdesisyon kung asa ang mo invest or mamuhunan sa pinansyal nga kapital aron mapadako og dugay ang kantidad sa kumpanya. Then nag-describe sad ni siya kung giunsa sa kumpanya pag-raise og paggasto sa kwarta.
Research and development in the industry. The term research and development or R&D refers to the processes businesses use to create and launch new goods and services. It frequently marks the beginning of the development process. The objective is normally to introduce new goods and services to the market and boost the bottom line of the business. Administration of industrial research. Research and development is a process implemented by the companies or governmental organization to innovate or improve its products and services. The research and development activity may involve both the basic research and applies research. Companies use this method either to innovate new products or to improve the effectiveness of the existing products. It may also aim at solving a specific issue regarding a product or service. Same ra ni siya sa atong research. Maghimo tag atong output nga atong i-defense ug unsa siya ka epektibo. Og sa company ug naslay new products, gamit ani nga research, pwede to nila ma-enhance or ma-improve ang mao nga product. Product development. Product development encompasses all stages of bringing a new product to market or making an old one better for customers. For example, nagplano ka nga magtukod kag tindahan ana nga lugara. So mag-survey ka kung unsay mga wants ug needs sa mga namuyo dito kay para halin ug kusog ang imong gipang sell nga mga product. Then, there are both internal and external customers inside a business. Moreover, it supports of a variety of goods including hardware, software, and services for consumers. Sa product development, kanay two types of customers, which is internal and external. Ang internal, kay mao ni siya ang suppliers. Ang external, mao ni siya ang mo purchase or mo palit sa imuhang gisell nga product.
Plant location. So what is plant location? So it refers to the choice of region and the selection of a particular site for setting up for a business or a factory. Plant buildings. So plant buildings refers to machinery, equipment, or apparatus used for an industrial activity.
Plant services refers to the maintenance and repair of equipment, systems, and facilities within a manufacturing or industrial plant. The goals of plant services is to maintain production levels, prevent accidents, and ensure a safety working environment. Here are some of the plant services and facilities that are typically found in a manufacturing or industrial plant. First is maintenance and repair. Maintenance and repair services are responsible for keeping equipment and facilities running smoothly. So the maintenance is a proactive process of preventative care, while repair is a reactive process of fixing something that has already malfunctioned. Second is utilities. Utilities refer to the systems that provide power, heating, cooling, and water to the plant. This includes electrical systems, boilers, or air conditioning, and bubbling. So, these services are often regulated by government agencies to ensure their availability, affordability, and safety. Waste management. Waste management services are responsible for handling the waste generated by the plant. This includes disposing of hazardous materials, recycling, and managing waste. So the goals of waste management is to reduce the amount of waste produced as well as to minimize its impact on the environment and public health. Security. Security services ensures that safety and security of the plant and its employees. This includes physical security, measures such as cameras, security gates, as well as cybersecurity measures to protect against hack and data breaches. So security is responsible for maintaining a safe and secure environment within a plant or industrial facility. They ensures the protection of employees, property, and assets from physical and cyber threats. Environmental services are responsible for monitoring and maintaining compliance with environmental regulations. This includes monitoring emissions, managing hazardous waste, and ensuring compliance with local and federal regulations. Logistics and transportation services are responsible for the movement of raw materials and finished products within the outside the plant. When we say logistics and transportation are essential for the efficient and effective movements of goods and people, which is critical for the functioning of business, industries, and economies. Office and administrative support. When we say office and administrative support, these services are critical for ensuring the efficient functioning of business and organizations as they follow employees to focus on their core tasks and responsibilities. Effective office and administrative support can also improve customers' satisfaction, streamline operations, and increase productivity. In summary, plant services and facilities are critical to the efficient operation of a manufacturing or industrial plant. Plant layout refers to the arrangement of physical facilities such as machinery, equipment, office, and support system with a manufacturing or industrial plant. It is an important aspect of plant design as it can have a significant impact on the efficiency, productivity, and safety of the plant. Here are some of the key considerations when designing a plant layout. First is flow of materials and products. The plant layout should be designed to optimize the flow of materials and products throughout the facility. Overall, the flow of materials and product is a key component of supply chain management, which involves the coordination of activities and process across multiple organizations to deliver goods and services to customers. The second one is equipment placement. The placement of equipment should be carefully considered to ensure that it is easily accessible, well maintained, and not in the way of other. So when we say effective equipment placement is an important aspect of production process design, as it can have a significant impact on productivity, safety, and the overall success of a business or organization. Space utilization. The plant layout should make an efficient use of space. Refers to the effective use of space within a building, facility, or workspace to optimize functionality and efficiency. Safety. Safety should be a top priority when designing a plant layout. Safety should be a top priority to ensure that the plant is safe for employees and visitors. This involves implementing safety measures such as proper equipment guarding, sufficient lighting, clear walkways and aisles, appropriate safety barriers and signs, and other safety features. Ergonomics. The plant layout should be designed to minimize physical strain on co-workers. Plant layout can help promote the health and safety of workers and can help minimize the risk of workplace injuries and illness. Support systems. Support systems such as utilities, storage, and waste management should be incorporated into the plant layout. When designing a plant layout, it is important to incorporate support systems such as utilities, storage, and waste management to ensure that the plant operates efficiently and safely. This involves designing the layout to include sufficient space for storage and ensuring that utilities such as electricity, water, and gas are easily accessible. Last one is future expansion. The plant layout should be designed with future expansion in mind. When designing a plant layout, it is important to consider future expansion to accommodate the growth of the business or organizations. This involves designing the layout to include sufficient space for future expansion, as well as ensuring that infrastructure such as utilities and support system can be easily expanded or modified as needed. In summary, the plant layout is an important aspect of plant design as it can have a significant impact on the efficiency, productivity, and safety of the plant. It should be designed to optimize the flow of materials and products, make efficient use of available space, prioritize safety and ergonomics, incorporate support systems, and allow for future expansion.